Hey everyone, Dana here. I am at Gettysburg. The Rebels Roost is doing their flea market in the parking lot today. Let's go see if they have needful things. Alright, we're gonna just kind of mosey around here, see what there is to see. She's cute. Japan. She's got a wing break. Lots of fun little vintage toys. Like that little suitcase back there. Little train case. Old photos. I don't think I'm going to delve into those today. These are so good. Lots and lots of Christmas. But it seems like these prices are definitely a little higher than I can afford. I love the deer though. Some fun jewelry here. Skeleton keys, some brooches. This is a huge freaking safety pin. My goodness. There's some turquoise. That's gorgeous. Little jewelry casket. Oh, this catches my eye. Like maybe a little kind of Swiss Army knife style.
I know.
So the guy did open that for me. It has like a little knife on one end and a little tool on the other. He says it's like a watch fob, whatever that is, but it was cool and it was $10. So I gave him $10 for that. We do have some nice cameos here. I was kind of bummed out. There is not a lot of vendors here today. It was rainy, sad but true. But there are a lot of empty spaces. Lots of box lots to dig through. Super teeny tiny smalls. Some fun old t-shirts. Dungeons and Dragons. David Bowie. The Allman Brothers. Huh, even ICP back there. This is kind of pretty. I like the face on that. It's got a pretty wicked ding in it, though. That mirror is absolutely gorgeous. This frog is huge. Love that planter. Dolls. This one's cool. It's one of those 3-face dolls. Little votive candle holder. Christmas themed. This is just acrylic, but it's $3. I think I'll grab that. That's really pretty. $5.
I'll come to you.
There's a fairy lamp. $125 for that. Doesn't seem to sit on there great. That's interesting. Little lizard. Kind of a driftwood lizard. Little brass animals. See, these are my kind of vendors. Such an eclectic mix of stuff, and you kind of got to dig around. Arrow cards. Yeah, so I think we're gonna walk over to the actual store, Rebel's Roost Antique Store. It's in the outlets here in Gettysburg. Since the parking lot doesn't have much action, I haven't bought very much of anything. So maybe we'll find some needful things over there. Let's go see. Here we are, Rebel's Roost Antique Emporium. Ooh, very busy in here today. The rain has driven everyone indoors. I am not going to show you a ton. You have to come look yourself. We're going to just kind of do a once through here and see some little nooks and crannies. Whoops. Here, let me show you what I'm looking at. Little specimen situation test tube. Yeah, lots of cobalt bottles. Just do a breeze through with the cam here. They are pretty busy. Just here we have a glass case that always has gorgeous things in it. And then right back here, one of my favorite little spaces, I generally find something in here. I see the little teeny tiny treasures. Bookmark. They do have a sale on here today. This little cauldron's kind of amazing. I have a girlfriend looking for a cauldron, but this is a little too, I don't know, nice looking. Kind of want something a little haggard, a little used. Maybe something copper with some patina to it. Pretty. Now this I'm excited about. I've been looking for a pair of these for a while. They are not that price. So here we go. That is reasonable, especially considering they're on sale and they have a purple interior in them, which makes them even better. So I think I might grab those. Here's a wiener. A nice mirror. Got a little nook and cranny back here. Very primitives. There's a little casket. Reasonable price. Nothing inside. Hens on nests. Such a big deal right now. 75 on that one. But now, see, you got to wonder, like, is this a real thing or is it a reproduction? I mean, it doesn't say, but it's glass, but is it a thing? I don't know. There's a fairy light. Yeah, that's $140. So fairy lamps, hens on nests are super trending right now. But see, with these little hens on nests, they have oversaturated with reproductions at this point in time. And it's really just kind of hurting the sales, sadly. Oh, I don't know. These guys are sitting here just waiting. I think when things trend, you've got to like jump on the bandwagon and get off before you get hurt. There's more fairy lamps. And they all are pretty on point as far as pricing is concerned. They look like they're in good shape. There's a little slag glass hen. Yep. Oh, yeah. That's big price points on those guys. This is one of my favorite little spots in here. It is so jam-packed full of stuff. Look at all this. A lot of smalls, a lot of little collectibles. How fun, though. Pretty. I have a little collection of bells. $5 on each of those. Tempting. Wow, look at this girl. I have never seen one with a, I don't know, bulbous situation like this. She is packing some junk in her trunk. $40. But I kind of like how rotund she is. I don't think I can get her today, but I really like that. That's super fun. I like her dress. This is really pretty. So fragile, very thin. But I love that pink inside, white exterior. I don't feel any chips on that. 32. It's not bad. Lots of little hens on nests and some jewelry caskets in there. They're so busy. I don't think I'm going to ask for a key. I've seen prices on these before and they were kind of out of my budget, so. But yeah, I'm going to definitely get those old boots with the purple interior. I think we're going to call it a day. Thanks so much for coming with me, guys.